Hello friends, hope you are all well. As we all know that board examination is coming near, we Saraswati Schooling System in association with Sri Saraswati Institute presenting lecture series of most important topics. So today in biology we will discuss about the female reproductive system. As you can all see here, I have drawn the structure of female reproductive system and on this side we are having the explanation of that. Okay, any reproductive system you can take, whether it is a male reproductive system or female reproductive system, we always start from the organ where gametes are produced. And what do you mean by gametes? Male gamete, which is known as a sperm, female gamete, which is known as a ovum. So here female reproductive system, first of all we will start with the ovary where the ovum are produced. Ovary, that is shape, oval shape. In a pair, it means two ovaries are there on each side of a uterus. First one, and here this is the second one. Two functions performed by the ovaries. First one, it produces the gametes, that is ova. Thousands of ova are produced, done by the ovaries. And second function, that is a female sex hormone, also known as estrogen and progesterone. Two hormones are produced by the ovaries. Third hormone, which is known as a testosterone, that is also produced by ovary but in a very less amount. Testosterone, that is a main hormone in a male, right? Chalo. Now next one, that is a oviduct, also known as a fallopian tube. Two ovaries are there. So two oviducts or the fallopian tubes are there which connects the ovary to the uterus, also known as a fallopian tube. Okay, it is a muscular tube which is known as a site of fertilization. What do you mean by fertilization? Fertilization means fusion of sperm and ovum. For an example, if this ovary releases one egg into this fallopian tube, by that time sperm would enter inside the female reproductive tract and that can reach up to the ovum, and if ovum is present in the fallopian tube, here there will be the fertilization. So the main site of the fertilization, which is known as the oviduct or the fallopian tube. If we imagine that fertilization would be occur, now the next step, that is the formation of zygote. Zygote will come into the next portion, this part which is known as the uterus. During the 9 months of the pregnancy, there is a growth and the development is happening inside the uterus. Total 3 walls are there of the uterus. Outermost wall, which is known as a perimetrium. Innermost wall, that is known as a endometrium. This one, the black one, which is perimetrium, red one, that is endometrium, and this space. Here you can see that is not actually the space, but there is a wall which is known as a myometrium, right? Next part of the uterus, here you can see this portion which is known as the cervix. There is one small canal is present which is known as a cervical canal. So this cervix is also known as a neck of the uterus, also known as a end part of the uterus. Last part of the female reproductive tract, which is known as a vagina, also known as external female genital organ. First function of the vagina, that would receives the penis during the intercourse from the male partner. Second function, which allows the menstrual flow. Menstrual flow, that is another topic, but in short I'll tell you that this endometrium would be broken down during the menses. So that would everything mucus and bleeding, everything would come outside from the vagina. And next function performed by that, that is also known as a birth canal. If we talk about the normal delivery, so this cervix will dilate and child would come outside from the cervix and the vagina. So here total 5 organs we have discussed. First one, ovary, which produce the ovum. Then after, oviduct, which is known as a fallopian tube, which is known as a site of fertilization. Then after, uterus, also known as a womb or the hystera, where the development of the child would be occur. Next part, which is known as the neck of the uterus, that is cervix, and the last part, which is known as a vagina. So here we have completed the female reproductive system. Thank you.